I'm a good wife.
I got the seal of approval for this from my wife. Oh my gosh.
The people are in the
so I'm
chairs.
one of the fat guys in the chair. So is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, I've always thought that.
13 terabytes.
I started to say, wait a minute.
13 terabytes.
You're lowballing that.
Of storage space. Yeah, we just did a video. I'm so stupid. This setup, I want to thank my dearest, most beautiful wife for letting me do this.
I'm a good wife.
I got the seal of approval for this from my wife. She approved this monstrosity. This is in the living room of our house. This is my office. This is my gaming setup. This is my personal theater. This is my flight simulator. I don't know if you can see the guitar there, but we're going to show you that in another video.
This is giving me Wall-E vibes.
Wall-E.
Wall-E.
Oh my gosh.
The people are in the
so I'm
chairs.
one of the fat guys in the chair. So is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, I've always thought that.
But as you can see, this is a very comfortable setup. And I was saying in a video before, I work 7 days a week to stay, with everything and not be in another room or whatever. I've been wanting to do this for forever, 20 years. I mean, I've thought about this. I finally got it. So come around here. Let's show you what I'm looking at. This is a 34-inch Samsung curved monitor. And I will say this again, I do not buy the highest price stuff anymore. I'm done doing that. I like to get the best deal for the value. Same with my computer down here. That is a 4070 Ti. If you know what that is, that's the graphics card. And I just boost everything up around it. 32 gigabytes of RAM. As far as storage space, there is 13 gigabytes of storage over here right now. Wait. I said that wrong. 13 terabytes.
I started to say, wait a minute.
13 terabytes.
You're lowballing that.
Of storage space. Yeah, we just did a video. I'm so stupid. We just did a video on the storage. If you guys seen my video. Oh, is it coming out? It's not even came out yet.
Stay tuned.
Coming out Monday. Or, no, Tuesday. It's Monday today. I just get so confused. But here's my setup. It's amazing. What we're doing now is YouTube. And we're doing YouTube all the time right now. I use DaVinci Resolve as my editor. And I first got this for eBay. We just did a video on eBay, how to sell on eBay. And it really helped me out. This is my office. We don't have room for an office. I love the game. I love video games. So I can do both with this. And I will tell you one thing. This is like when you set this up and you're watching, when it's full screen, when you watch your TV and it's got the bars on the top. This doesn't have that. It's the wide screen. This is ultra wide. Sashi's having a fit.
She is.
It's ultra wide. It's like you're at a theater. It's better than a theater. Put your headphones in. It is awesome. So let's go in. Here's the storage right here that we was talking about. So I'll go through here and edit everything. And it just makes everything so much better. I can do multiple screens. This is actually our channel page. And right there's our channel. So I can see everything that's going on. Do all this stuff. I can work with 2 pages over here. I was thinking about doing dual monitors, but it was going to be too hard to move it around. And I'll try to link all this stuff in here, how I've done this. We've made a video on my wife. I tried to do her setup with one monitor. She didn't like it, so we took it down. We scrapped it. We're going to sell the mobile gaming thing that we was using for it. But this here is a dream setup. This is awesome. This is one of the best things I've ever did. And I want to show you something else that is just amazing on this unit. I can watch March Madness on 3 TVs. Like, this is one of the awesomest things about this. And I can shut this sound off over here. I can do this over here. Turn this on, have my headphones in. It is insane. When you love sports like I do, it's just amazing. Even golf or tennis or just basketball, women's basketball, men's basketball, football, college football, NFL. It's amazing. Soccer. I watch soccer. I watch so many sports. I love this thing. And look at this right here. This is the new golf thing that just came out. You can watch this with everything else. They're playing indoor golf on a simulator. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's going to be very exciting on Best Ever Reviews. Stay tuned for what's going to happen. Look at this guy.
2025.
Look, he's got a headphone in. This is so awesome. Look at this. And we're watching South Carolina and Tennessee play over here, women's basketball. This is amazing. This setup, I want to thank my dearest, most beautiful wife for letting me do this. This is one of the greatest things. I get to come home to play video games, or maybe we want to learn how to play guitar. Stay tuned for the next video. You can learn how to play a real guitar on a computer. It's amazing. We're coming out with a video soon. Thank you very much for watching my awesome office / gaming setup media viewing station. What do you want to call
Oh,
it?
no.
I don't know either. But
Just your computer setup.
my computer setup. My awesome computer setup that my wife let me screw holes in the wall in the living room. Thank you, wife. You're the best wife ever.
I know.
Love you so much.
I love you.
Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye. And there goes the cat with the zoomies.